In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo to Facebook Messenger. By the end, you will be able to send any picture straight into a conversation without wondering which button to press. On your Android phone or your iPhone, open the Messenger app. Look for the familiar chat bubble icon, usually with a small lightning bolt inside. When the app opens, you should see a list of your recent conversations, each one showing the contact name or group name, plus a small preview of the latest message. If you do not see that list yet, wait a moment for Messenger to load, since it sometimes needs a second to refresh your chats. Once Messenger is open, tap the conversation where you want to send a photo. This can be a one-to-one chat or a group chat. After you tap, the full conversation view opens, with older messages at the top and the most recent ones at the bottom. You should also see the text box near the bottom of the screen where you normally type messages. A quick tip here, if you tap the wrong chat, just go back once and choose a different conversation before you continue. Now look near that message box and tap the photo icon. On most phones, this looks like a small picture or a tiny square with mountains inside. It usually sits next to other icons like the camera or the plus sign. When you tap the photo or gallery icon, Messenger opens a panel that shows images stored on your device. You might see a row of your latest pictures along the bottom of the chat, or a full-screen grid of photos, depending on your phone. From here, choose a photo from your gallery, camera roll, or Photos app. Scroll through your images until you see the one you want to share. Tap the thumbnail of that picture once. After you tap it, Messenger highlights the selected photo, and you might see a larger preview appear above the keyboard or in the center of the screen. On many phones, you can tap another picture to change your choice before sending, and you can usually add a short text message in the box if you want to explain the photo. With your photo selected, tap Send. The Send button is normally to the right of the message box and often looks like a small arrow. As soon as you tap it, the photo appears inside the chat bubble stream, usually aligned on the right side for messages you send. You may notice a small sending or delivered indicator beside the image. When that changes to delivered, the other person can now see your picture in their Messenger app. You have just learned how to open Messenger, pick a conversation, choose a photo, and send it in a Facebook Messenger chat. If this helped you share your picture, give the video a quick thumbs up so others can find it, and subscribe if you want more simple Messenger tips.